In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make WhatsApp stickers from your photos in seconds using ChatGPT. If you're a fan of personalizing your messages with something unique and fun, this is the perfect tutorial for you. We're going to dive into the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward so you can follow along without any hassle. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head on over to Google. Once you're there, type ChatGPT into the search bar and press enter. You'll see a list of search results, and what you'll want to do next is click on the ChatGPT website from these results. This is where we use the magic of AI to bring our sticker to life. After you're on the ChatGPT website, look for the plus sign. It's usually at the top of the options. Clicking this will open up a menu where you can add your photos and files. Click on Add Photos and Files to start the process. Here, you'll be prompted to upload a photo that you'd like to transform into a sticker. Now, select your photo. Choose an image that you think will make a great sticker. Something expressive or humorous works really well for stickers meant for WhatsApp chats. Once you've selected your photo, you'll see a space where you can type in a prompt. This is your opportunity to get creative and specify how you want your sticker to look. For instance, you might type in something like, using the reference photo, create a 3D chibi-style sticker with a "Let's Go" text bubble and a double outline. Ensure a transparent background. This gives the AI a clear idea of what you're aiming for. When you're happy with your prompt, go ahead and click on Submit. The AI will then work its magic using the instructions you provided. While it's working, feel free to think about all the amazing and personalized stickers you could make after mastering this process. This takes just a few moments. Once the AI has generated your sticker, you'll have the option to download it. Press the download button, and your sticker will be saved to your device, ready to be used in WhatsApp. You can even create a dedicated sticker pack if you end up making several where all your custom designs can be stored for easy access. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've created a personalized WhatsApp sticker that's ready to be shared with friends and family. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself and make messaging even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and happy sticker making.